Animation in Flash.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, dear.
Where were you? I was looking for you.
What happened?
Dad, I have a test in school tomorrow. Would you teach me how to make an animation in Flash?
Sure, dear. First, tell me what is an animation.
Dad, an animation has series of pictures that vary gradually from the first to the last. If these pictures are viewed quickly, one after the other, they give an appearance of movement. We use this technique to make an animation.
You are right, dear. When we make an animation, we need to control the timing of the appearance of the objects. We do it through timeline, which appears below the stage. Timeline consists of a series of frames.
Dad, what is a frame?
A frame is a measure of time on the timeline. It carries all the objects of an animation. Look at this rectangle. It represents a frame. You can place your frames in the timeline in the order you want them to appear in your animation.
Dad, what is this red rectangle with the vertical line?
Dear, this is the playhead. It indicates the current frame on the stage. Another important part is a keyframe. It indicates a change in the content on the stage. A black dot on the timeline represents a keyframe.
Dad, my teacher had told me something about layers, but I can't remember what she had said.
Dear, layers are like transparent sheets. You can draw and edit objects on one layer without affecting objects on another layer. They overlap each other in the order they appear in the timeline.
Thanks, Dad. I have understood these now. I think I'll do well in my test tomorrow.
I am sure, dear. Now, it is time for you to sleep. You have to wake up early tomorrow.
Good night, Dad.